We get it. Accidents happen. For peace of mind, protect your eligible Canon products with Canon CarePAK Plus. CarePAK Plus offers protection from accidental damage, such as drops, spills, power surges, and more, including normal wear and tear beyond the standard warranty period. With CarePAK Plus, a damaged product will be repaired to good working condition or replaced with an equivalent product. But it's not just about the equipment, it's also about your memories. With image recovery, we can help retrieve your lost or corrupted images or videos. With additional benefits like free shipping for service and repairs, camera maintenance, priority service direct from Canon, and more, you know your equipment is in good hands, giving you the confidence to take that once-in-a-lifetime shot. Because you're covered by Canon CarePAK Plus. Learn more at usa.canon.com/CarePAK Plus.